Listen,
got some
I'm not going to argue.
on today.
You're testing positive for cocaine.
Using, I probably been on my pants or
Don't
something.
even. I told you no. That's it. La única cosa que yo quiero saber.
Welcome to Bench Report Court Cam.
Good morning, Mr. Foster. Do you have a lawyer today? What? I'm sorry?
Lack of funds.
What are you doing about your lack of funds issue?
I just did a lot of applications, but I got a case pending. My case is pending.
When is the last time you've had a full-time job?
Check when was the last time. I worked at Clydeburg Communities right down the street off of Willard about a year ago.
So how do you survive? Correct. You need to eat. You got kids?
Yeah, I got kids. I told you that last time.
How are you supporting those kids? How are you supporting those kids? Those kids need to eat. They need food. What have you done?
I was.
Here's what we're going to do.
On the side.
Mr. Foster, here's what we're going to do.
I need a job though.
And we're going to make sure that that happens. So I will give you an application for an appointed lawyer today. And I'm going to bring you back in 2 weeks. And I want to see what, if anything, you have done to get a job. You telling me I filled out applications? Listen, I'm not going to argue.
On today, I got some on
Mr. Foster, I'm not going to argue with you.
I got jobs lined up, but it's not consistent. It's money here, money there, money here, money there. But everything is not
Kids
consistent.
don't eat here. Kids don't eat there. They don't need clothes here. They don't need clothes there. You need a full-time job. And if it works, if it means fast food, then that's it. I'm going to give you an application today, but I'm bringing you back in 2 weeks, and I want to see what you've done to get a full-time job.
I just got hired at Kroger not too long ago. They hired me.
Stop.
Fired me because they said my background check didn't come through.
Stephen, I'm not going to argue with you, dude.
Come on. Go ahead and sign.
You are not to use alcohol or illegal drugs, and I'm going to randomly test you. You tested positive for marijuana. You tested positive for alcohol today. No more. Do you understand? You will get tested 45 days from today. If you test positive for marijuana, it's not going to go well. Do you understand? No smoking marijuana, no using. Understood? You will be randomly tested. If they call you to test and you fail to appear, then your bond will be revoked. Go ahead, take a seat for me while we finish up the paperwork with you, sir.
So, okay.
What's your calendar?
Well, on the 6th, I only have 2 cases. So, and on the 5th, I have 3.
Your client, hey, Joseph, I'm going to put you on speakerphone.
Let's try which one you prefer?
Joseph,
He's away from time.
Yes.
Oh, okay. So then I'm coming.
I have your client here, Mr. Wyckoff, with me.
Yes, Judge.
We sent him for another drug test today.
Yes.
He tested positive for cocaine
And THC.
and THC.
All right, Judge. Are you going to?
I mean, how can I let him go when he's testing positive for cocaine?
I've talked to him.
The last two, you ain't giving me no
numerous
window.
times.
The last test was confirmed negative, Judge, or it was positive just for THC.
Your last test here tested positive for only THC. And now you're testing positive for cocaine.
Using, I probably been on my pants or
Don't
something.
even, I don't want you to say anything,
Haven't
but
been using. I was just in here.
everybody
Friday.
using? I don't want you to use alcohol or illegal drugs.
I haven't been.
And you just tested positive again for cocaine. It's not the first time. It's not the second time. Goes with you. Joseph, he'll pop up on tomorrow's docket, and I guess I'll reach out to you then, and we'll see how we go forward.
Stop talking.
I'll be in the
course.
courthouse, Judge, so I can just stop by.
All right. Thanks, Joseph.
Thank you.
Come up, counsel. Yes, sir.
This is on Noah Montgomery, Judge. He just returned from his test over at pretrial. Apparently, he tested positive for THC.
Where is Mr. Montgomery?
He's here right now, Judge. You like me to bring him up?
Yes, please.
Mr. Montgomery? Just for the court's recollection, Mr. Montgomery is 17 years old. He's a high school student. Without going into specifics, he has some mental health issues. I spoke with him and his grandmother. They're willing to, if the judge entertains it, send him to a rehab facility or do something other than sending him into jail.
We're not going to let you just smoke weed while you're on bond. You're not allowed to. I told you not to, and you're testing positive. I'm going to set you off 2 weeks just to give you the benefit of the doubt. It's been 40 days, but if it tests again, it's just not going to go well.
Yes, Your Honor.
I told you no. That's it. Do you understand? What are you doing with yourself now? School. Are you actually in school? Are you going full time? Are you attending your classes? Are you attending classes? Are you actually going? All right, I'm going to set it off 2 weeks. I want to test him to make sure that we get the benefit of the doubt.
Yes, Your Honor.
Don't use. If you come up clean, we're all going to be happy. But if you come up dirty, that means you've continued to smoke. Don't.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thank you, sir. Good morning, Mr. Gomez.
Yes.
Do you have a lawyer today?
¿Tiene abogado hoy?
Perdón?
¿Tiene abogado hoy?
No.
Tell me what you're doing about that.
Dígame qué está haciendo acerca de eso.
Trabajando para, pues, llevar mis diligencias cada día. Tengo pruebas, traigo unas copias que me validan que sí estoy pagando.
La única cosa que yo quiero saber, si tú tienes un abogado, si no, ¿qué estás haciendo cerca de eso? Nada más. No quiero saber nada más.
Trabajando.
Working.
Trabajando, consulté a un abogado, pero se me hace muy dificultoso pagarlo. Con un
Consulted
down
with one
payment.
lawyer and it was too difficult to pay for it.
How many lawyers have you spoken to regarding hiring on this case?
A ver si la puedo contratar.
Con dos.
With two?
That's not enough.
No es suficiente.
There are a gajillion and one lawyers in Harris County. 99% will put you on a payment plan where you pay as you go. You've had two different settings now, and you've talked to two lawyers in two different, that's unacceptable. You need to talk to more. You may talk to 10, you may talk to 15, but you need to put effort into it.
If
99% will put you on a payment plan where you pay as you go, and you can negotiate.
puedes negociar con ellos.
Entiendo,
I understand.
pero es difícil. Yo tengo mis pruebas, mis copias de que le estoy pagando mis biles y el abogado se me cobra down
I have
payment.
proof of how much payments I have to do for my bills and attorneys are expensive.
Un down payment como $2,000 y con todo esto se
They're
me
asking for
hace
like a
muy difícil.
$2,000 down payment and everything else is hard.
You talk to two lawyers only. You need to talk to more lawyers. Other lawyers are different. Not every lawyer is like that. We gave you a lawyer on the first one,
Estamos un abogado en el primero.
and 3 months later, you pick up another DWI. You need to start talking to other lawyers. It's time. I'm going to have you go to Victoria. We'll have you sign a reset. If you need to talk to 10, if you need to talk to 15, that's what it may take.
Va a ser que todo.
Sí, tengo un problema con mi dispositivo que no me permite estar muy fuera de 5 días, 6 días, 7 días. He perdido 2 trabajos ya, 2 proyectos por
I have a
por
problem
cuestiones
with
de
the
esto.
device
no
that's
I'm
on.
not going to talk to you about this is why you need a lawyer. But I'm,
Bien difícil ir y no tener quien lo lleve, cómo
It's
manejar,
very
o sea,
difficult to get
es
around,
más
not being able
difícil
to drive.
pagar.
It's more difficult to pay.
I don't know. I mean, just,
Okay. Bien difícil.
you
pero-
do not
Very difficult.
have a license.
And not
You
tiene
are
li-
not allowed to drive.
Sí.
I know.
That's it. We've asked you not to consume alcohol. Stop. I'm not going to argue with you.
Yeah. Veremos.
Just take a seat for me.
Thanks for watching. Stick around longer and click the highlighted videos to your right. See you there.